Okay, I just got done doing a spiel on Vitamix noobs and how not to be a stupid one. How to be a good one, really. How to be a good Vitamix noob, I should say. And I think that I'm going to do a recipe out of the cookbook because it is 1300 and it's time for lunch, and I'm going to make a curd carrot soup with the machine, but to kind of alleviate some appetite, I'm going to have this here green protein drink. And I just got done doing a workout, so this would be a good idea. And you can see that if you watch my previous video, I still have the apple here that I just threw in there. Man, I have my raves and rants, man. Oh my God, some of these people are just terrible. So what we're gonna do is just go by the recipe and see how it comes out. And I'm gonna do it verbatim, only minor substitutions, very minor as far as the liquids, because I don't have rice milk, I have almond milk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And this is a green protein drink. Prep is 10 minutes. It's a smoothie process, and it's designed for a personal cup and the smoothie setting, regular smoothie setting. What I'm gonna do though is, because I kind of dirtied up my carafe, is I'm just gonna go ahead and just use this the carafe, and it'll be fine. So we're gonna start out with 1/3 cup of ice cubes. Okay. This is also the order in which you're supposed to load the cup, but because I'm using the carafe, I'm gonna go ahead and do the reverse. So it says 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Let's see if I can do this one-handed because I'm trying to keep on that page. No, I gotta keep the page open somewhere else. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna, that's not verbatim, but whatever. That's not gonna ruin the recipe. After I'm hopping on the noobs about being verbatim, I have experience, so whatever. Okay, unsweetened rice milk. We're gonna go with the 1 cup. So we're not gonna use the rice milk. We're gonna use the almond milk. And here it is. This is silk almond milk unsweetened. 30 calories per serving, which is 1 cup. And we're just gonna go ahead and open this. There we go. Oh, it didn't even open it all the way. Thanks a lot, Cap. You didn't even do your job. All right, and 8 ounces is right there. All right, that's good. That's 1 cup. All right, bam. All right, next ingredient, we are going for, it says chocolate whey protein powder. So how much is that? Chocolate whey protein powder is 1 tablespoon. So, okay, this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. Here's a tablespoon. And I'm just gonna go do this number, 1 tablespoon. And then some Hershey's cocoa. A little bit of cocoa powder to give it that same flavor. And cocoa powder is very low calorie. It's very good. Okay, next ingredient is, it says 1/2 cup kale and 1 cup of spinach. But I don't have all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is this. I have a 50-50 mix. So we're just going to do a cup of this stuff. And that's about a cup. This is why I like to do everything by weight instead of volume, because, you know, 1 cup of that is like, is that packed or is it just, you know, laying around? But in this case, it doesn't say. Okay, so it's 1 cup and 1.5 cup of this. So we're just gonna use 1 cup, and then 1/2 cup of unsweetened frozen strawberries. Okay, 1/2 cup strawberries. Then I do have okay. Boy, these are huge. I'm gonna try and pick out the smallest ones, because these are humongous strawberries. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go with these. That's about a 1/2 cup, I would say. Verbatim, right? Verbatim. They're just big strawberries. It's not like they're small or anything like that. Okay. Get this back in the freezer. I lost my page. My bookmark sucked. I'll find it. I'll find it. I will find it. Okay, here, I found it again. And then 1/3 cup of ice cubes. So those I have already laying around. That's about, if I can get it, 1/3 cup. That's about right. Let me freeze these again. Okay, now this would, in my experience, it would work out easily in the cup, but it said to go with the smoothie program. So let's see. My only concern is those 2 huge strawberries. So let's see. Okay. Sounded like it actually worked just fine. Nice and airy and light. Not a single bit of that strawberry that I was worried about. I've never had this smoothie. This is the first time I've ever had it. It's pretty good. It's greeny. It's greeny because I use different vegetables, but it's pretty good. If I could make a change, I like more of a sweeter type smoothie. So I'll probably add a tablespoon or 2 of stevia, which is a 0-calorie sweetener. But other than that, it's good. Yeah, I like that. I like that very much. All right, so that's this video. I guess I'll just eat this apple and whatnot, and I'm just gonna make a curry carrot soup. So that's it.